Hi, I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks. This is how to cut an avocado. To start out, cut lengthwise around the avocado. Twist the halves to pull them apart. Grab a towel and place the side with the pit on top of it. We are using the towel here for safety when we remove the pit with our knife. So just give it a little tap, twist, you've got your pit. Now here, do not use your hand to try to grab the pit off the knife. That can be dangerous. What we do is we have a little tip. Take the pit and bring it over to the edge of the cutting board. Use the cutting board to release the pit from the knife. We like to use a spoon to scoop out the avocado before slicing. Lay the avocado flat and then use a large knife to cut it into slices. Make sure to get a nice firm grip on the base of the knife. And that is how to cut an avocado. For more of our knife skills videos, all of our recipes, and more about our cookbook, Pretty Simple Cooking, head over to acouplecooks.com.